Welcome back to the channel. If you use Salesforce for automation, you know how important it is to have the right person assigned to manage workflows. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to change your default workflow user in Salesforce for 2025. It's a small setting with big impact, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it and how to update it. Let's get started. Begin by going to the top right corner of your Salesforce screen. Click the gear icon. This is where you access your administrative settings and customization tools. Once the menu opens, select Advanced Setup. Don't let the name intimidate you. This section simply holds configuration options that control how Salesforce behaves behind the scenes. Next, on the left side or top of the setup page, you'll see the Quick Find box. This search bar is your best friend when navigating the many settings Salesforce offers. Type Process Automation Settings into the box. When it appears in the search results, click on it. You'll now be on a page that manages various automation settings. You might see a lot of options here, but stay focused. We're looking for the field labeled Default Workflow User. This is the user Salesforce assigns as the owner of any workflow that doesn't already have one. To update it, use the lookup icon next to the field. A window will pop up where you can search through the list of Salesforce users in your organization. Choose the user who actively oversees workflows or is responsible for automation tasks. This ensures tasks, alerts, and automation issues get directed to the right person. Once you've selected the user, don't forget the final step. Click Save. Without saving, the change won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully updated the default workflow user. This simple tweak helps make sure your automated processes stay on track, get escalated to the right people, and don't fall through the cracks, especially when roles change or teams shift. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more Salesforce tips, automation insights, and admin tutorials. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next one, and I'll see you in the next video.